Hello everyone, my name is Ashray Gupta. I am currently working at Capgemini at Senior Analyst position. Today, I am going to speak on two topics. First one is a challenging project of mine and what was the project all about and my role in it. Second is explaining a technical topic. Let's come to the very first topic, a challenging project of mine. I have worked on many important projects. What's really crucial for me when starting one is to get very clear on the goals right at the start and then create a plan with milestones. I also like dealing with the most difficult parts of the projects early on. That way, in case there are any significant issues, I'll still have a nice amount of time to complete before the deadline. I also typically break down large tasks into smaller chunks so that it is easier to know where to start, where to proceed, and how to finish. Detailed planning is also very important to ensure an important project goes on very smoothly. For example, in my last internship, I was working as data science intern at Algo8 AI. I was in charge of developing and testing automatic license plate recognition system for one of the clients of the company within span of 2 months. This project was about automatically detecting the number plate of the vehicle that passes through the camera and automatically saving the license plate number of the vehicle in the database. It was a challenging project for me as it was the first time I was going to work on an object detection project. I started with watching few videos related to ALPR system on various websites, read a few papers and articles to get a grasp of the working of the ALPR system and how the flow in the project has to be maintained so that I have no difficulty in working on the project along with my teammates. We were working in a group of three people. We mutually decided to work on three different models so that at the end we can benchmark which model works the best and gives excellent results. I developed a Python script that used pre-trained YOLO model. My script successfully extracted the license plate of the vehicles that passed through the camera and the license plate image was also saved in the database. After extraction of the plate, I pre-processed the plate image like resizing the image, noise removal from the image, and then finally Redon transformation of the image for better character extraction before passing it to OCR for character recognition. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, a technique that is used to extract characters from images. After successfully developing the script, extracting license plate from the image frames, and pre-processing the image, I worked on three OCR models and made use of EasyOCR, PyTesseract, and pre-trained OCR model with Keras and TensorFlow to extract characters from the license plate. I then tested my model by extracting frames from the camera footage of the client that was installed at the gate of the company. In the starting, my accuracy was very low due to poor live videos of the camera, and some of the videos were recorded in the night time when no proper lighting was there and the plate was also not visible in the videos. The quality of the videos was around 480 pixels. Some license plates were of old convention, some rectangular and some square, and that too bearing different font. These were the difficulties I and my teammates also faced while developing the project. We then requested our client to provide us with HD quality videos and get these similar high security registration plates installed on all the vehicles so that character recognition could be accurate. We finally completed the project with an accuracy of 95% and that too 1 week before the deadline. Now, I will tell and explain a simple topic in my own terms strings in Java. In Java, the string is basically an object that represents a sequence of character values. An array of characters works in the same way as Java string. Java string class provides lot of methods to perform operations on strings such as compare function, concat function, equals function, split function, length function, replace function, compare to function, intern function, substring functions, and many more. Generally, a string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, the string is treated as an object that represents a sequence of characters. The java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. In Java, there are two ways to create a string object. First one by using string literal and the second one is by using new keyword. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s equals to double quotes open, welcome, double quotes closed. Each time you create a string literal, the Java virtual machine checks the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. Java uses the concept of string literal to make Java more memory efficient because every time we create a string literal, no new object is created if it already exists in the string constant pool. Now creating string object by new keyword. Example is string s equals to new string welcome. It will create two objects and one reference variable. In such a case, Java Virtual Machine will create a new string object in normal heap memory, that is non-pool, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. But the variable s will refer to the object in a heap memory, that is non-pool memory. So in Java, if a string is created using string literal, it will point to string constant pool. But if a string is created using new keyword, it will point to a string object in normal heap memory, that is non-pool heap memory. In Java, strings objects are immutable. Immutable simply means unmodifiable or unchangeable. Once a string object is created, its data or state can't be changed, but a new string object is created. As Java uses the concept of string literal, suppose there are 5 reference variables, all reference to one object, that is welcome. If one reference variable changes the value of the object, it will be affected by all the reference variables. That is why string objects are immutable in Java. Thank you.